Meaning of eyewall.
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 Eyewall. The eyewall is the ring of thunderstorms that surrounds the eye of a hurricane. It is the most intense and destructive part of the storm, with the strongest winds and heaviest rainfall occurring in this region. The eyewall also produces dangerous storm surges, which can cause severe flooding and coastal erosion. The destruction caused by the eyewall is primarily due to its high wind speeds, which can reach up to 200 miles per hour and can tear apart buildings, trees, and other structures. The eyewall is an extremely hazardous place to be during a hurricane.